Open the Remitly app or go to Remitly.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to reveal your account options. Now from the menu, select Settings and then tap Personal Details. Here you will see your current phone number. Tap the field to begin the update process. Enter your mobile number exactly as it appears on your SIM card and tap Next. Now, Remitly will immediately send a one-time verification code via SMS to that number. Now, switch to your text messages, copy the verification code, and return to the Remitly screen. Paste or type the code into the verification field and hit confirm. Remitly will validate the code and update your profile instantly. Now, if you ever don't receive the code, tap resend SMS or double check that you entered the number correctly. For any further issues, use the help button in settings to contact Remitly support. If this made updating your phone number seamless, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fast and money saving tutorials.